browser in Google. Suppose we want to browse a site, say topper.com. Now click on that website. Oh no, this problem arises. This site can be reached. The server IP address could not be found. Or try running Windows network diagnosis. This type of problem has seen. Okay, now check another site. Or say adobe.com. Go. Oh shit. Same problem arise. Okay, let's check another. Suppose definitions .net. Let's check. Oh wow, this site opening, but adobe.com again refresh it, not opening. copper.com again refresh it, also not opening. Friends, we see such problems in an intermittent process, like where different websites cannot be opened when it's browsed to open it, but another website is opening from the same Wi-Fi network. Now we will solve this problem by doing a very simple test. Now do this step. Go to this network option. Click on Open Network and Sharing Center. Now click on the Wi-Fi connection here. Internet protocol function 4. Double click. Now let's check this option. Use the following DNS server addresses. Check it and put this preferred DNS server like 8.8.8.8. Now again put another alternate DNS server, say 8.8.4.4. Now check on the validate settings upon exit option and click on OK. Again click on OK in the wireless network connection properties here. Now this Windows arises, Windows Network Diagnostics. Now complete it. Now the close option arises, click on it. Again click on this close. Okay, now check it. Again I will refresh the topper.com website. Now see whether the problem arises or not. Refreshing it. Oh yes, the website is now opening. Okay, now check the another website adobe.com. Refreshing it. Let's see. Oh yes, it's new. It's opening now. Now friends, our problem is solved by doing this simple text, where we just check out these options in the wireless network settings by putting this preferred DNS address and alternate DNS address in the IPv4 or TCP IP protocol version 4. Thanks friends for watching this video. If you like my video, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get future updates on my upcoming videos on